This video shows how to buy shares of Tritax Big Box REIT Plc and walks through the process. Tritax Big Box is a UK REIT focused on large logistics warehouses listed on LSE plc under the ticker BBOX.L. This is educational only and not financial advice. Investing carries risk, and you should research before acting. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BBOX.L to find Tritax Big Box REIT Plc. Make sure you select the London listing so you locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Tritax Big Box REIT Plc. Check that the exchange shows LSE plc and the ticker BBOX.L to ensure the correct stock. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the transaction. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.